The one thing they never want you to test, they told you gravity is fake, that gases don't fall, that air only presses down because it's contained. But here's the question no one asks. Why does air get thinner the higher you go? If gravity doesn't affect gas, why does Everest try to kill you faster than sea level? The controlled narrative. We're told air just spreads out evenly. That gas fills a container and stops. Sounds reasonable. Until you realize something uncomfortable. The atmosphere isn't a container. No lid, no dome you can touch, no glass ceiling NASA forgot to show us. So why doesn't the air just leave? The gas problem they can't hand wave away. Here's where it gets interesting. Weather balloons don't rise because they're seeking equilibrium. They rise because pressure drops with altitude, and pressure drops because there is less air above you pushing down. That means more air below, less air above, a vertical gradient. That's not opinion, that's measurement. The experiment. They never talk about. Put gas in a tall sealed tube, measure pressure at the bottom, measure pressure at the top. You don't get equal pressure. You get higher pressure at the bottom, lower pressure at the top. No spinning globe, no Coriolis, no NASA graphics, just gas responding to force. Enter the fake gravity test. Here's the part they really don't like. Spin a container of gas in a centrifuge. Now watch. The gas moves outward. It gets denser at the edge. Why? Because acceleration acts exactly like gravity. Same math, same behavior, same result. If gas responds to acceleration, why wouldn't it respond to gravity? The vacuum question. Gas fills a container, sure, but space is a vacuum. If gravity doesn't affect gas, Earth's air should have leaked away billions of years ago. Yet here we are. Breathing. The real conspiracy. Maybe the lie isn't that gravity is fake. Maybe the lie is that you were never encouraged to test it yourself. You were only shown cartoons. And every real experiment was buried under bad explanations. Because when you strip away the CGI, gas behaves exactly like matter with mass, because it has mass. The hard facts, no escape hatch. Pressure decreases with altitude. Density decreases with altitude. Gas responds to acceleration. Atmospheres scale with planetary gravity. Remove gravity. Atmosphere disappears. No dome required. No magic container. No appeals to authority. Just physics. Final line, land it. You don't have to trust NASA. You don't have to trust textbooks. But you do have to explain why gas stacks vertically every single time.